The 2009 Buick LaCrosse offers premium appointments, sophisticated luxury, and advanced technologies. The LaCrosse remains available in the CX, CXL, and Super trim levels. LaCrosse Super is now the performance model and replaces the CXS, which is no longer available. Standard on LaCrosse CX for 2009 is a 16-inch 8-spoke painted aluminum wheel. In packaging changes, a split rear folding seat with armrest and dual cup holders is now included in the driver confidence package available on CXL. LaCrosse now offers, as available on all models, Bluetooth for phone. It permits hands-free operation of compatible cell phones through the vehicle's audio system. Rounding out LaCrosse changes for 2009 are exterior paint colors. Quicksilver Metallic replaces Platinum Metallic, and Scarlet Red is discontinued. With sophisticated technologies and other luxury appointments, the 2009 LaCrosse sets new standards for premium sedans.
The handsome 2009 Buick LaCrosse combines comfort, confident power, and refinement. The front-wheel drive LaCrosse offers 3 distinct trims for 2009. The well-appointed CX, the luxurious CXL, and the 300-horsepower LaCrosse Super, which for 2009 is the performance model and replaces the CXS, which is no longer available. During this program, we'll focus on the CXL. Details on LaCrosse Super are included in the 2009 Super Series program included in your 2009 Buick product library. Advantages for LaCrosse include available seating for 5 or 6 occupants and the sophisticated technologies of quiet tuning, OnStar, and remote vehicle start, which are all standard. Comfort and smooth, capable handling are other examples of the understated sophistication on LaCrosse. The handsome 2009 Buick LaCrosse combines comfort, confident power, and refinement. The front-wheel drive LaCrosse offers 3 distinct trims for 2009. The well-appointed CX, the luxurious CXL, and the 300-horsepower LaCrosse Super, which for 2009 is the performance model and replaces the CXS, which is no longer available. During this program, we'll focus on the CXL. Details on LaCrosse Super are included in the 2009 Super Series program included in your 2009 Buick product library. Advantages for LaCrosse include available seating for 5 or 6 occupants and the sophisticated technologies of quiet tuning, OnStar, and remote vehicle start, which are all standard. Comfort and smooth, capable handling are other examples of the understated sophistication on LaCrosse. LaCrosse CX and CXL are powered by the 200-horsepower 3.8-liter V6. It's the most proven engine in GM's inventory and has an outstanding record for performance and reliability. The V6 produces 200 horsepower and 230 pound-feet of torque. Engine highlights include smooth and confident performance with quiet operation. LaCrosse has seamless, precise acceleration thanks to standard electronic throttle control. It replaces the mechanical link between the accelerator pedal and engine with drive-by-wire technology. This benefits performance, helping the engine respond more precisely to driver commands at both low and high speeds. LaCrosse Super elevates performance to new heights with its 300-horsepower 5.3-liter V8. For additional details, review the 2009 Buick Super Series program in the 2009 Buick Library. Managing power is the smooth-shifting Hydromatic 4T65 4-speed automatic transmission. This durable, electronically controlled 4-speed uses advanced calibration logic for precise shifting. Adaptive learning logic provides optimum shifting performance, tailoring performance to the driver's driving style. Drivers will feel smooth takeoffs and impressive acceleration. Optimum fuel economy is another benefit. Both the 2009 LaCrosse CX and CXL offer impressive efficiency for a 6-passenger sedan. LaCrosse, equipped with a 3.8-liter V6, is EPA estimated at 17 mpg city and 28 mpg highway. LaCrosse has agile, smooth handling. The suspension design and chassis tuning complement the specific performance characteristics of the standard V6 and the V8 on LaCrosse Super. LaCrosse has a front-wheel drive layout with a 4-wheel independent suspension. The front suspension features a McPherson strut coilover spring design with stabilizer bar and twin-tube dampers with 4-stage valving. The rear suspension has a tri-link coilover strut design with twin-tube dampers and a direct-acting stabilizer bar that helps control body roll and provides flatter cornering. LaCrosse CX and CXL come with the premium ride suspension. It offers the quiet, comfortable, and controlled ride you expect in a premium sedan. LaCrosse Super has the special ride and handling suspension for enhanced handling. 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes and traction control are standard. 2 traction control systems are offered. An engine-based enhanced traction system is standard on LaCrosse CX and CXL, and full-range traction control, a more sophisticated system, is available on CXL and standard on LaCrosse Super. If wheel slip is detected, the system applies brakes to the wheel, reduces power, and if necessary, cuts off fuel up to 3 cylinders. The system can also elect a slow rotation of the drive wheels by shifting the transmission out of first and into second gear. StabiliTrak adds another level of control and is available on both CX and CXL and is standard on LaCrosse Super. StabiliTrak helps the driver keep LaCrosse on its intended course by modulating the individual brakes and reducing power as needed. It helps the driver maintain control, especially during severe handling maneuvers. Power rack and pinion steering helps LaCrosse navigate with agility and ease. LaCrosse looks refined and echoes design cues found on Lucerne and Enclave. A chrome waterfall grille provides a luxurious touch. Precision body panel fits and other elegant chrome touches demonstrate the quality and the attention to detail you want in a premium sedan. The chromed appearance package is standard and includes chromed inserts for the front and rear fascias and body color body side moldings. Quicksilver Metallic replaces Platinum Metallic in the exterior color palette for 2009, while Scarlet Red is deleted. Interior trim color choices include Neutral, Cocoa, Titanium, and Ebony. They complement the chrome and wood grain accents inside the cabin. LaCrosse is richly appointed with many premium standard features, including a leather-wrapped steering wheel with integrated audio and cruise controls, a tilt and telescoping steering column, dual-zone automatic climate controls, a 6-way power driver's seat, remote vehicle start, and a driver information center, or DIC, that displays vehicle status messages, outside temperature, and even compass headings. The Driver Information Center also lets you program personalization preferences for 2 drivers. Radio station presets, lighting, door locking preferences, and even settings for ultrasonic rear parking assist, if equipped, can be set and stored. There's more standard convenience with power-heated outside mirrors, which now are standard on all LaCrosse models for 2009. LaCrosse is extremely comfortable and accommodating, with available seating for 6 occupants. 5-passenger seating with front bucket seats is standard. CX and CXL offer a flip and fold center cushion and console. Simply flip up the center armrest console for additional seating. Inside the console armrest, there's handy storage compartments, a power outlet, and cup holders. On CX, cloth seats are standard. Both CX and CXL have a standard 6-way power driver's seat and manual controls for the front passenger seat. CXL adds more luxury with standard leather-appointed seating, 2-way power lumbar for the driver's seat, and heated front seats. A 6-way power front passenger seat is included with the driver confidence package available on CXL. The comfortable rear seat offers room for 3 adults. A split folding rear seat is available on both CX and CXL. It requires the comfort and convenience package on CX and is now included for 2009 in the driver confidence package available on CXL. In addition to the split folding rear seat, the spacious trunk area also adds to cargo carrying capability. The large trunk area measures 16 cubic feet, providing ample room for luggage, groceries, and other gear. Occupant comfort is a key strength in LaCrosse. The climate control system includes rear seat heating and cooling outlets. Up front, the automatic system permits the driver and front passenger to select individual temperature settings. The standard factory-installed remote vehicle starter system also makes the cabin more comfortable. The remote keyless touchpad activates the heating, ventilation, air conditioning system. This sophisticated system senses the outside temperature and automatically enters the appropriate optimal pre-cooling or preheating mode. Remote Vehicle Start also automatically turns on the front defroster and rear defogger if the outside temperature is below 40 degrees. LaCrosse CX and CXL each offer an equipment package that bundles popular equipment. The Comfort and Convenience package available on CX adds premium appointments with 2-way power lumbar for the driver's seat, heated driver and front passenger seats, and the split folding rear seat with armrest and dual cup holders. The Driver Confidence package available on CXL includes a universal home remote, an auto-dimming inside rearview mirror, a 6-way power front passenger seat, ultrasonic rear parking assist, rear reading lights, and the split folding rear seat with armrest and dual cup holders. An important convenience feature that separates LaCrosse from the competition is OnStar. OnStar's directions and connections plan is standard and provides access to OnStar turn-by-turn navigation. It's a great navigation aid that's simple to use. Also adding convenience is Bluetooth for cell phone connectivity. It's new and is available on all 2009 LaCrosse models. Bluetooth lets you connect compatible cell phones to the vehicle's audio system, providing hands-free cell phone operation. As for audio, the standard audio system on CX and CXL includes an AM/FM stereo with CD player, radio data system, and 6 speakers. The Concert Sound 3 audio system available on CXL includes 9 speakers, 2 subwoofers, and an amplifier. With the Concert Sound 3 audio upgrade, CXL owners can also choose an available 6-disc in-dash CD changer or a CD MP3 player. All LaCrosse models come with a 3-month trial subscription to XM radio. And quiet tuning ensures that the acoustics inside LaCrosse are pristine. This exclusive Buick approach to reducing noise in the cabin includes materials and treatments that are engineered into LaCrosse. Together, they create a serene and exceptionally quiet interior that reduces, blocks, and absorbs noise and vibration sources and their pathways. Put the pieces together, and it's clear that the 2009 LaCrosse offers outstanding craftsmanship and attention to detail.